Hey everyone, you are watching Premium Learnings, and today we are going to discuss how to get highly paid IT jobs. IT is undoubtedly one of the most embracing, booming, and highest paying careers in this era, which naturally makes it crowded and competitive too. Hence, it is at most important to stand out from the crowd to make your own space there. This session is for everyone who wants to switch to this premium industry with a handsome pay package. Here are a few pointers that can help you to shape your IT career. The first point is target the most wanted skill. Search for the IT skill which are high in demand and low in resources. To name a few, Salesforce, machine learning, cloud computing, DevOps, etc. So this will help you stand out and attract more job opportunities. Lesser the number of resources, more would be your job security. Let's go ahead with this point number 2, which is get certified as soon as possible. Being certified shows your professionalism, willingness to learn, and ability to cope up with high industry standards. This improves your professional credibility in the network also. Certification that complements your qualification and supports your aspiration gives you the competitive advantage over your competitors. The foundation of certification projects you as a potential candidate who is more knowledgeable and easily trainable than others. This naturally increases your chances of selection. The third point on the list is work on the most relevant interview questions. Success happens when opportunity meets preparation. Rigorous research of your skill-related interview questions and a detailed preparation of answers to those can arm you up with the upcoming opportunities. The fourth point on the list is complete at least 3 capstone projects. Project work improves your understanding by supporting theoretical knowledge with practical experience. It increases retention of knowledge learnt and implemented. Projects give you a flavor of real-life work and also fill you up with the confidence and clarity of the concepts. Projects upgrade your profile as a potential employee. So make sure you complete at least 3 capstone projects with detailed understanding. The fifth and the last point on the list is use your relevant network to get opportunities. In this era, the network is considered to be your net worth. Your updated and professional presence on social media like LinkedIn improves your visibility to the employers. Your professional photo, impactful headline, detailed mentioned skills, experience and achievements, bigger network, and being active status creates your brand and presents it to the wide world. In a sense, entering into IT or switching to a highly paid job is definitely your cup of tea if you instill these ingredients to improve your employability exponentially. Thank you. Keep learning and keep growing.